汉堡王前员工。
第一步这先上去，然后这边要抵住哦，重点是这边要抵住，然后这边再下来，然后这些动作汉堡就是要拉紧，但你不能压，这样会破坏汉堡皮哦。这2步之后，这边就是过来，你可以中间这样戳进来，然后上下。
哇！
这个完美。
来一个快的，来一个快的，来一个快的，来一个快的，
来一个快的，你要秒版 ，Action！ 再给我一次机会，再
我的汉堡了。
好 ，OK。
哦，
我问一下哦，你汉堡怎么包的？嘿，美珍。再加蛋，然后呢？哎，对，然后呢？
不要再加了，我帮你重弄。掉地上。
全掉。无一细节。刚刚老姐说这样。哎，没有，白手南拜猪捡起来，成本最高的捡起来，南拜猪捡起来，南拜猪捡起来，成本最高的捡起来。
好，
Be a Chinese man, yeah? Yep. What did you want? Oh, fried rice? Yeah, cool. Can I get just a fried rice, please?
Do you want chicken, beef, or pork?
Oh, pork, please.
Card or cash?
Card, please.
The 50-cent surcharge.
Yeah. Bro, sorry. Can you pretend to be a Chinese man? Real quick, my girlfriend's calling. I'm supposed to be at a restaurant ordering food. Be a Chinese man, yeah? Yep. Hey, babe, how's it going? Yeah, good. I'm at the restaurant now. Yeah, I'm already here. Oh, okay. You want to order? Yeah, you can order. What did you want? Oh, fried rice? Yeah, cool. Can I get just a fried rice, please?
Do you want chicken, beef, or pork?
Sorry, do you want chicken, beef, or pork? Pork? Oh, pork, please.
Do you want spring roll with it or no?
Did you want spring rolls? No, thanks. No spring rolls.
What about a drink?
Did you want a drink? No, nothing's funny. Nothing's funny. Do you want a drink? Oh, just a Coke Zero, please. A Coke Zero.
Card or cash?
Card, please.
The 50-cent surcharge.
Yeah. Sorry. I just saw something funny. Yeah, I'll bring it back in a bit. I'll be home in maybe 40 minutes. Is that all right? You're awesome.
Chicken stir fry with what, man?
See you then, babe. Thanks. Love you. Bye. Thank you so much.